Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams going head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. On the left, we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD, and on the right we have the Airifage Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera.
Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride.
Let's kick things off with the price.
The DKK Dash Cam comes in at $99, while the Airifage Dash Cam is a steal at just $59. That's a $40 difference, folks. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save some cash while getting a quality product.
Airifage, you've got my attention.
Next up, we have video quality.
Both cameras boast 1080p Full HD, but the Airifage Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its advanced GCC MOS sensor and 150 degrees wide-angle lens. It captures license plates and road signs with crystal clarity day or night. Sorry DKK, but Airifage takes the crown in this category.
Moving on to connectivity, the Airifage Dash Cam steals the show once again with its built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and user-friendly app.
You can live, stream, download videos, change settings, and even share your footage with just a tap of your finger. DKK, do you even have Wi-Fi?
Airifage is the clear winner here.
Now let's talk about parking mode. The Airifage Dash Cam offers a 24-hour parking mode with its mini USB hardwire kit, sold separately.
It automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked, providing around-the-clock protection.
DKK, it's time to step up your game.
Airifage takes the lead again.
Last but not least, let's talk about storage capacity. The DKK Dash Cam comes with a 32GB SD card included. But if you're someone who likes to record every second of your epic road trips, the Airifage Dash Cam supports up to a whopping 128GB micro SD card.
That's some serious storage space, my friends.
Airifage wins this round. In this Dash Cam showdown, the Airifage Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera takes the crown with its affordable price, superior video quality, convenient connectivity, advanced parking mode, and ample storage capacity.
And there you have it, folks.
In this Dash Cam showdown, the Airifage Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera takes the crown with its affordable price, superior video quality, convenient connectivity, advanced parking mode, and ample storage capacity. But hey, if you're on a tight budget and don't mind sacrificing a few features, the DKK Dash Cam is still a solid choice. Remember, it's all about finding the right dash cam that suits your needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time with more comparisons to help you buy smart.